Steve, Monica, this is where we were last week, all the way up here, 7.76%. In just 1 week, that 30-year fixed rate dropped a quarter of a percentage point to 7.5%. Now, the last time we saw a drop that large was this time last year, somewhere in this area here. But if you take a look at where we were just 2 years ago, we were just below 3%. Experts say we still have a long way to go.
It is great to have a lower rate, but I caution people about getting too excited.
A drop in mortgage rates fueling hope for buyers, but it only makes the game on the market more competitive.
I've been speaking with my mortgage partners this week, and they're telling me they're getting more pre-approval applications. More of their active buyers are telling them they'd like to make an offer, and they're looking for pricing information.
In New Hampshire last month, new listings increased nearly 4%, while the median sales price went up 11%. But financial experts say if you're looking to buy in New Hampshire, it's not going to be easy.
There's not a lot of inventory, so there's not a lot of people selling their homes, yet there's a lot of people looking to buy. And we find ourselves in a difficult situation because those folks, or many folks that own their home, if they bought in the last few years or they refinanced in the last few years, they refinanced at a really low rate.
Sean Toll with Davis Wealth Management says we're a long ways off from seeing any drastic drop in rates. But that being said, realtors say if you're looking to buy and you can afford it comfortably, act now.
I don't have a crystal ball, but I haven't seen any data that would lead me to believe that this housing market is going down anytime soon. So I just see housing demand increasing and being competitive for a long time to come.
Okay, so what happens next depends on the Federal Reserve, really. The Fed has raised its key rate 11 times since March of last year, but only one of those hikes happening since May. And Chairman Jerome Powell saying this week they're still considering how high that benchmark rate will need to go. In the studio, Marissa Tansino, WMUR News 9.